Alrighty everyone, so we're here at St. Xavier High School. Boo! I say boo because I went to the rival high school at Cincinnati, so yeah. Go Lancers, yes, and this team is the St. Xavier Bombers, but we're not here to hang out at St. Xavier. We're actually here. There's a sign down yonder saying Greek Festival parking, so we are going to the Panegyri Festival, the all-Greek festival in Cincinnati. It's the biggest celebration of Greek culture we have in the city. It happens like the last weekend of June every year, so you catch a shuttle here at St. Xavier High School, and then they shuttle you over to I think the church is called St. Nicholas, Greek Orthodox Church. So yeah, see, there's the shuttle right there, just a little school bus. It takes you right over there, so we're gonna have some fun and see what's up with the Greek festival. We got Rami, we got Squeak-Doo, we got Raggy's way over there, but he's here, so we're going to listen to some music, chow down, maybe walk into the Greek Orthodox Church. I think they have a school connected to that building as well, so yeah, we're going to walk around and see what we got. It should be a good time at the Panegyri Greek Festival in Cincinnati. This is a good time. If you're in the area at this time of year, you should definitely try to check it out.
Beagle. One note on this Commodore +4 will send you to a faraway land.
Alrighty everyone, so the bus just let us off, and we're outside of the Holy Trinity St. Greek Orthodox Church, and this right here is the entrance. It's like $3 a person to enter, so very good deal, helps the local Greek Orthodox Church. This is one of the only ones in our zip code anyway, so yeah, we're going to head on in and enjoy some Greek culture now.
εν ονόματι Κυρίου.
Θεός, Κύριος και επέφαλεν ευλογημένος ο ερχόμενος, εν ονόματι Κυρίου.
Θεός Κύριος και επέφανεν ημίν ευλογημένος ο ερχόμενος, εν ονόματι Κυρίου.
Θεός, Κύριος και επέφαλεν ημίν ευλογημένος ο ερχόμενος, εν ονόματι Κυρίου.
Θεοτόκο εκτενώς μη προσδράμμεν αμαρτωλή και ταπεινή και προσπέσομεν εν μετανία, κράζοντες εκ βάθους πηχής, δέσποινα βοήθησον εφημείς πλακνιστήτα, πέφτον απολύμεθα υποπλήτους τεσμάτα, μη αποστρέψεις τους δούλους καινούς, δέγαρ και μόνην ελπίδα και κτήμεθο.
Δόξα Πατρί και Υιό και Αγίο Πνεύματι, κανόνα πίστεως και εικόνα προότητος, εν πρατείας διδάσκαλος, να ανεδειξέσαι την πίστη σου, ή των πραγμάτων αλήθεια, ή αφού το αξίζει.
Everyone, so we just got done hanging out in the church a little bit, so that's always really nice. Love visiting the Greek Orthodox Church, and this is sort of a hallway connecting to like the cafeteria of the community center, and we got lots of cultural things in this hallway here between the church and the cafe of the community center. We got traditional costumes and dolls, the Greek folk costume, lots of fun stuff, and they've got like pretty much a little bit of everything related to like Greek independence from the Turks in the 1800s to yeah, all sorts of really great stuff and cultural things in this little hallway here. Yeah, we just did the church tour. That's always fun, seeing the church tour, and I don't really speak any Greek, and I know the Cyrillic alphabet, but I don't know the Greek alphabet, so I can kind of stumble my way, but not really. So, yeah, and I've only been to Southeastern Europe once, never to Greece, to Serbia. I love me some Serbia, so yeah, we might continue walking around, see what we got. We got a little marketplace in here, and you can get Greek pastries in the cafe and gymatorium there. So, all right, everyone. So very, very loud in here. I hope everyone can hear me, but this is like the community eating tent at the festival. Festivals usually have this sort of thing, and we're chowing down on some Greek pizza. It looks like this. What's everyone think of the Greek pizza? Squeak-Doo likes it. Rami likes it. I don't hate it, but I wish it had a tomato sauce. I wish it had a marinara tomato sauce. Raggy got pretty much the same thing, but with lots of gyro meat on it. What do you think of the gyro meat, Raggy?
Very happy. Yeah, I like lamb. I guess that's goat cheese.
Yeah, there's like goat, there's feta cheese, there's all sorts of cheese on this. So, yeah, it kind of reminds me, Serbia had some dishes that were like a lot of breads with cheese and no sauces. So, Serbia, Rami and Squeak-Doo would really like Romanian and Serbian food, I think. But, yeah, this ain't half bad. So, we're chowing down on some Greek pizza. Later on, I'm going to try Mavra Daphne. Oh, and in that hallway of connecting the church to the Cafe Gymatorium, they had Greek cooking demonstrations. We might do that. We might not do that. We'll see where the night goes. We might eat a whole lot more. There are plenty of snacks to have. We're definitely going to get some to-go desserts in that cafe gematorium. So yeah, we're having a good night and just hanging out at the Greek Panegyri Festival. It's a good time.
Γεια σου ρε Βασίλη, μεγάλε. Παιδί μου.
Got some extra snacks here. These are some Greek French fries. They're pretty good, yeah. Although they look kind of like just regular crinkle fries. Yeah, but and then Squeakdoo and Rami had some fried cheese.
Yeah, we demolished it, but I took a pic.
Okay, yeah, I'll post the pic. What did you think of it? Is good. Rami, did you like the fried cheese?
It was good, but it wasn't as good as Epcot's during the Food and Wine.
Not as good as Epcot's during Food and Wine, yeah.
It was good, but it wasn't as sweet. I think Epcot puts honey
Wasn't as
makes it a little sweet.
okay. Wasn't as good, but not as sweet, yeah. And Raggy, did you try any of the cheese or nah? Alrighty, and Raggy, he's the driver tonight, so he'll have this afterwards. She said you can take it off of premises, but they wrap it up for you somehow. I don't know exactly how that works, but okay, we'll figure it out. She said, the lady at the taverna, and this right here is my favorite type of wine, Mavro Daphne. It's a word to the wise though. It's very sweet, very heavy, and extremely alcoholic. Like a regular bottle of wine that you get in the store, this is about double what a regular bottle of wine at a grocery store would be. So very thick, very heavy, very sweet, very good. I love Mavro Daphne, but this will get away from you. Like, I will get buzzed after this. So yeah, we're going to drink up, chow down, and see what else we got. It was a good time at the Panegyri. Alright everyone, so it looks like all we did at the Panegyri was eat. And by and large, yeah, that's pretty much what we did. That's what you come to a festival for, you know? Now we're enjoying some desserts of baklava sundae. And it's a sundae with some baklava on it. The crusty stuff there is the baklava. What's everyone think? And what's wrong? What's Squeakdoo think? So good? Maggie say wunderbar. Rami, did you try some yet? Rami says the food's very good, but it's a lot. Chow down, chow down. You like? Yeah, it's good. The food here is really, really good. And yeah, you can get vanilla, chocolate, or swirl ice cream, and then they put baklava on top of it. So yeah, we're gonna eat some ice cream and see what else we got. We're probably getting ready to head out though, because we've just been here stuffing our chops all night and yeah, and chilling, but it's good. I like the Panegyri. It's always a good time. This is one of the premier festivals in Cincinnati for the summer. Alrighty everyone, so this is an actually good shot of the exterior of St. Nicholas Holy Trinity Greek Orthodox Church, where they host the Panegyri Greek Festival in Cincinnati. It's the last weekend of June. It's one of the biggest festivals in the city. Definitely worth coming and checking out. This is, a little better shot here. We're getting ready to end our night. We're in line for the shuttle bus back to the rival high school. Those are porta potties, in case you were wondering. Those were porta potties, and that's the entrance. And I'm walking back to the family to see, how did everyone like the festival?
It was fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
Not as hot. Not
Yeah.
as buggy.
Usually when we're here, it's like 100 degrees, 100% humidity, filled with bugs. Rami, what do you think of the festival?
It was good. It was, loud.
It's loud. It's a loud party, yeah.
It was a lot of food.
A lot of food.
I think Mom likes sitting quietly in the church.
Rami likes sitting quietly in
love
the
the
church,
church. Yes.
and
Yes.
we like gorging with feed there. So, is the bus coming?
No,
No. Okay. So.
got lost.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. So we're going to wrap it up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we will catch you later with some more things. We're here at the Panegyri Festival. It's a good time. You know you're the best fans of any YouTuber in the world. We love you. Make sure you check back and see us again. And we got some more fun stuff. Bye!